Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bella Misia and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this quick and easy Flexi Rod set without using heat and going from looking like somebody's auntie to these beautiful, voluptuous, blue, bouncy curls. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and the products that I use to achieve this style are the Curl Quenching Shampoo and Conditioner by Carol's Daughter. I also use a new deep conditioner this time by this brand called Earth Supplied. It's their butter rich deep treatment and it was extremely moisturizing. As you can see, it's in this little sample package, so it wasn't really enough for my hair, but it still got the job done. And it also came with this bomb metallic shower cap, which I will be rinsing and reusing again. Do not judge me, okay? I'm just gonna start off by sectioning my hair in 4 to apply my leave-in conditioner of choice. Whenever I do a Flexi Rod set, I just always like to apply my leave-in conditioner first because my hair gets really dry if I go section by section. And the leave-in conditioner that I'll be using today is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I have really been loving this lately on my hair, but what the heck? Like, how on earth did I miss my hand? Like, I had to bring that back. That was too funny. But once I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I just detangle it and then twist it. Twisting it just makes sure that each strand soaks up every bit of the leave-in conditioner. And then as you can see, one side is done and boop, so is the next. Hello, how you doing? Yes, ma'am. So you know, to do a Flexi Rod set, you need a strong hold to keep the form of the curl. So today I'm going to be using 2 different types of gel. One purely for the hold, which is the As I Am smoothing gel, and then the other is just for the color. It's the Hair Makeup by Curlsmith in the color turquoise. So we're gonna have some fun today. I have a few packs of Flexi Rods. Hopefully it's enough. I have the 3/4 inch, which I'm gonna be using in the front of my hair, and the 5/8 inch, which I'm gonna use in the back, where the curls are much tighter. I'm starting off in the back of my hair with the turquoise blue hair makeup gel, and then right after I'm just gonna take my orange Flexi Rod and wrap my hair around it. As you can see, it's been a while, so I kind of forgot which direction to do it in, but I just bend it at the tip to secure the curl, and I'm gonna slow it down on the next one so you guys get a better idea of how to do this thing. So again, I'm just gonna thoroughly detangle my hair just to make sure my hair is nice and smooth and there are like no tangles. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of smoothing gel and just work that into my hair. And then I'm gonna wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod. I kind of just place it on my hair very still and then just proceed to wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod to create and form the curl. Once I get to the ends of my hair, I just add a little bit more product and continue to wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod. And then I just bend the tip of the rod onto my curl on both ends, and that's basically gonna secure my hair to the Flexi Rod. Also, when you're doing this style, be very careful of like little thin straggler pieces that just want to attach to random sections of your hair. Just take them apart. Like, they are not cute and they just take away from this hairstyle. And I just want to show you guys how to do this again. I'm just placing the Flexi Rod like at the root of my hair. I just kind of roll it nice and tight so that it can be stable as I continue to wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod. And I detangle as I go just to make sure my hair is nice and smooth until I get all the way down to the ends. And if necessary, I'll like re-wet the ends and add some product. But once I'm done, I'm just gonna fold or bend the ends over my hair just to secure the rod in place and keep it stable, prevent it from moving so my hair can actually form the curl. I hope I'm making sense, but I'm just gonna repeat these same steps on my finally done, and what a relief. I did a total of 18 Flexi Rods. I used 12 purple ones and 6 orange ones. That's 18, right? Anyway, yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Nice and secured and ready for bed. So as you can see, it's the next day and I'm looking like someone's auntie with this jumbo bonnet on my head, but that is how I slept. And honestly, you guys, these joints are horrible to sleep in, which reminded me of why I only do this style once in a while, because it's just too much. Anyway, now I'm just going to continue to gently unravel the Flexi Rods. pretty much just twisting it in the opposite way that I black hair. You can kind of see hints of it like here and like over here, but I want to kind of add more to make it like, why is this like out of focus, kind of make it like pop. But I'm so nervous because I don't want to like mess up the style, so I use absolutely no oil to separate my hair. I actually used this oil spray on it after I put the Flexi Rods in, so I'll link that in the description box down below, the name of the oil spray that I use, because I forgot to show it on camera. Yo, I'm nervous. I don't know if I want to do that, but I'm gonna try it on a section in the back first to see how it is. But I'm back to not talking because my son is sleeping and I'm not trying to wake him up. Okay. All right, so I just slabbed a big chunk of this gel in my hands, and I'm basically raking it through my curls as I separate them where they naturally want to separate. While I'm doing that, I'm just rubbing the turquoise hair makeup all over my hair because I really want it to pop, kind of like how it's popping on my hands, but I really want that color to transfer on my hair. And honestly, I don't recommend adding gel to your hair when you're separating it or when your hair is dry. But because it's like hair makeup, you know, I didn't mind. But as you can see, I effed up right there. I don't know why the hell I added it to my roots. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. But I was just like, oh, you know, I can't have my roots black and everywhere blue. But nah, it should have stayed black. It really should have stayed black. But moving right along. So I'm pretty much done adding the turquoise hair makeup on my hair and separating my curls. So I'm just doing a side-by-side comparison to show you guys the difference of what my hair looks like when it's not separated versus when it is. So as you can see, one side is flat, you know, sad, you know, lackluster. And then when we go to the opposite side, girl, it's like a whole new person. Like, who is she? We love her. We needed her. Okay. Nah, but it's really shiny, you know, it's a lot of volume. It's, you know, and as you can tell by my facial expression, I am so happy with the way my hair came out. Like, my curls are soft, they are bouncy, they are beautiful. This blue color is everything. I need to go wash this crap off my hands. Okay, it's tacky as hell. Tacky as hell. Wow. It looks so flippin' good. How these curls are just like spiral to perfection. I am living for this style.